How to remove vanish mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove vanish mode on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say that you're basically on Instagram, you're on a chat with a specific person over here, let's say, and let's say when you're in a chat with a person, you are in vanish mode. To turn on vanish mode, you normally swipe up from the bottom like this, and now you're in a vanish mode. After this person sees this message, it is most likely going to get disappeared. In order to turn off vanish mode, it's also very simple. Whenever you come back, you can see even if you go inside of it, you're still on vanish mode, as it says you turned on vanish mode. To turn it off, just swipe up again like this. It says release to turn off vanish mode. Once you've done that, you'll come back to the normal chat page as you would be able to find it. And this way you can remove vanish mode on Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.